Welcome to this walkthrough video of IISE Honors and Awards nomination system in Openwater. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to complete a nomination from start to finish. So first, we're going to start our nomination. First, go to the specific award that you want to nominate your colleague for. Every award has its own red button labeled nomination form. Click that red button. It will prompt you to sign into your IISE account. I'm already signed in, so it's not making me do it, but once you're logged in, you'll click Begin a New Submission. Then click Save and Next. On this page, select the award category from the drop-down menu. If you're unsure which category your nominee fits into, you can visit the IISE website and review the list of award categories such as Educator, Leadership, Research, or others. Once you've chosen the correct category, click Save and Next. Then you as the nominator will complete the information and then click Save and Next. Then this page is where you will enter the nominator letter. Each award has different criteria. Some have a one-page criteria, some have a two-page. In the new system, we have to do word limits. So 500 typed words equals one typed page. The text box does allow for formatting, so you can create spacing or paragraphs as needed. Feel free to type directly or copy and paste from a Word document, which might be easier. Next, you'll complete the award-specific questions. Each award has specific text fields that you may need to complete. For example, some will ask to describe teaching excellence or summarize research contributions. Sometimes it's easier to write these in a Word document and then copy and paste them into the portal. Whenever you've completed the required fields, please click Save and Next. Moving on to the letters of recommendation, this is one of the most common questions, so here's how this works. As the nominator, you do not upload the letters of recommendation. Instead, you will enter the name and email address of each letter writer. The system will automatically email them a link. Letter writers will sign in and type or paste their letters into a text box. It is important to note, they cannot upload a PDF. If their letter is already in a PDF document, they should copy and paste the content into the text field. The text field is fully formatable. They must follow the required word limit. So 500 words equals one page, 1,000 words equals two typed pages, etc., depending on the award. You do not need to wait for the letters of recommendation in order to continue. You can move on. Click Save and Next. The next field is to upload the nominee's CV. You can upload the nominee's CV as a PDF. Please make sure that the CV stays within the required page limit for the award. After you upload this, click Save and Next. The next section is called Supported Materials, and most of the awards may skip this. Skip it completely. I think the only awards that need to even pay attention to this is Graduate Research or Pritzker. Otherwise, you can probably skip this completely. You can go ahead and finalize your nomination. The letters of recommendation do not need to be submitted in order for you to finalize your nomination. So please go ahead and click Save and Finalize. Even if you just start a nomination, you will receive a reference number. This number is really important because if you have any questions at all, you can email me directly. Tell me the reference number. I can look up your nomination and see exactly what you're seeing, and I can help answer any and all questions that you have. One more note about the letters of reference. They do need to be submitted prior to the December 1st midnight deadline. I am here to help, and I will do everything I can to make sure that your nomination is submitted exactly the way that you intend to by the deadline. So thank you for your patience with this new system. I know it's a transition year. I appreciate your commitment to ensuring that your colleagues are recognized for their achievements. So please let me know as you have questions, and I am here to help. You can email me directly at egrimes@iise.org.